Alright, so this one's a trapezoid. We need to do two things. We need to find the height, which I'll label in blue, and then the other line that we have to find is this mid-segment. An area is going to equal the mid-segment times the height. So I don't know either of those, dang. So what we can do though is we can use the fact that we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We can find that this angle is 60. So we're going from the hypotenuse to the short leg. That'll be this guy right here. We divide by 2. That has to be 4. And then we know that the height has to be 4 times root 3. So we just found the height. And again, review your 30, 60, 90 triangle properties. The thing that we're missing is the mid-segment. So we know that from here to here is 4. So that means since the whole segment is 18, from here to here has to be 18 minus 4, which is going to be 14. So the mid-segment is going to be 1/2, or the average of 14 and 18. What number is halfway between 14 and 18? That'll go here. Okay, and you can say area equals those two segments together, multiplied together. Choo-choo.